Oliver asks for more. It is an extract from the novel Oliver Twist, written by a British novelist, Charles Dickens. It is the story of an orphan by named Oliver who is brought to a children's home. Oliver had to appear before the live board. Mr. Bumble escorted him to his new home. The fat gentlemen are the members of the live board. The members of the board were merciless, selfish, and cruel. They did not offer adequate food to the children in the workhouse. They used the children for picking oakum. Children were weak and thin. They wore plain clothes. They were afraid of their master. They had a great respect for him. But the master was fat. He wore expensive clothes. He behaved mercilessly and cruelly. In the workhouse, children were given food free and there was no work but only play. The members decided to give 3 meals of thin gruel a day with an onion twice a week. Hard word and its meaning. Mercilessly, without pity. Cruelly, with cruelty. The boys are the orphans in the workhouse. The boys cleans the basins with the spoons by scratching the gruel stuck to the walls of the basin. They suffered the torture of slow starvation. The authorities have devised a new food menu for the workhouse. The paupers were restricted to a small portion of food. The policy succeeded in reducing the workhouse population, although many depart for the graveyard. Hard word and its meaning. Gruel, a thin porridge. Paupers, a person who is very poor. After several months of the most mirage meals, the boys are desperate with hunger. One night at dinner, one child tells the other that if he does not have another bowl of gruel, he might eat one among them who sleeps next to him in the workhouse. Terrified, the workhouse boys hold a council meeting to select one among them as the member to go and request the authorities for more to eat. Hard word and its meaning. Terrified, thrown into a state of intense fear or desperation. The children at the workhouse, lots were cast, determining that whoever loses shall be required to ask for the boy. Oliver loses, and after dinner, the other children insisted Oliver to ask for more food. Oliver approached the fast workhouse master and asked for more. The master is overwhelmed with astonishment. In a state of agitation, Bumble rushes to inform the board. The members are horrified. Oliver is instantly ordered to confinement. Hard words and their meanings. Blammed. Become filled with uncontrollable emotion or too much sensory input. Agitation. A mental state of extreme emotional disturbance. Bumble. Walk unsteadily. Confinement. Putting in a prison or a closed room. Next morning, They pasted a notice on the outside of the gate of the workhouse, offering a reward of £5 to anybody who would take Oliver Twist off the hands of the parish. Let us see some more hard words and their meanings. Beadle, an officer of a church. Parish, a church committee. Occam, loose fiber obtained by untwisting and picking apart old ropes. Surely, serious or angry. Gruel, a thin liquid food of oats, rice, etc. Devoured, ate hungrily or quickly. Appetite, the desire to eat, hunger. Voracious, wanting great quantities of. Stupefy, shocked. Paralyzed, become motionless. Ladle, a long-handled spoon used to serve liquids. Countenance, a person's face or facial expression. Apprentice, one who works under a skilled person. Grammar. Let us learn the grammar. Change the underlined parts in the following paragraph into compound adjectives and rewrite the paragraph. Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer who is famous all over the world. He is a batsman playing with right hand. He has many world records to his credit which are mind-blowing. Besides all these, he is a person with a kind heart. He works with an NGO based in Mumbai to help more than 200 orphans every year. After changing the underlined parts with compound adjectives, we can rewrite the paragraph like this. Sachin Tendulkar is a world-famous cricketer. He is a right-handed batsman. He has many mind-blowing world records to credit. Besides all these, he is a kind-hearted person. He works with a Mumbai-based NGO to help more than 200 orphans every year. Now, change the following statements into yes or no questions. Oliver was frightened at the sight of so many gentlemen. Was Oliver frightened at the sight of so many gentlemen? You are an orphan. Are you an orphan? You say your prayers every night. Do you say your prayers every night? You will pick Occam tomorrow morning. Will you pick Occam tomorrow morning? Mr. Bumble rushed into the room. Did Mr. Bumble rush into the room? They can devour the big bowl. Can they devour the big bowl? Boys have generally excellent appetites. Have boys generally excellent appetite? Question tags are used to get information or confirmation. The question tags are positive if the statements are negative, and if the statements are positive, question tags are negative. These tags are short, contracted form of questions. If the statement has an auxiliary, the tag begins with an auxiliary. In case it does not have an auxiliary, it begins with do, does or did. Now let us read the following dialogue that took place at a party and add suitable question tags to complete it. Rohit: Hi, I have met you before, haven't I? Suman: No, I don't think so. Rohit: But your name is Vani, isn't it? Suman: No, it's Suma. Anyway, glad to meet you. Rohit: Me too. This is Rohit. The party seems to be really lively, doesn't it? Suma: Yes, definitely. We enjoy ourselves a lot on such occasions, don't we? Rohit: Yeah, we do.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.